What is up, everyone? It's your boy Dean. I feel like I haven't videoed in forever because I haven't. My last 3 videos I videoed in like 1 week, so I've been taking some weeks off from video and just grinding, still working with the heat and air guy, getting some stuff done for myself. Today I went and took care of a long-term client, did some small handyman things for him, and then now I'm on the way to a client of mine that has rentals, doing a little exhaust fan. It's not working. I'm gonna make sure that it's getting power. It could be a switch, could be the whole fan. I got fan, and honestly didn't see where it was venting. They may have just been venting it straight to the attic space. So I've also got some flex duct to run it out the eave or the side of the house, depending on what I get into. We'll see. I'm not sure if I'll be able to video there just because the tenants are usually there every time I go, but I'll definitely make sure to show you guys what I do. There's actually only one person here right now, so I'm gonna video for a little bit. Kind of keep it on the low. But yeah, there's the exhaust fan. And here's, I'm assuming, the switch for it right here. And nothing happens. So first thing I'm gonna do is check for voltage, make sure it's getting the proper voltage. Hear that beep? You can't see it, but that means 120 volts. See if when I cut the light switch off it stops. Word. Alright. So yeah, that's my only access door, and when I looked in there going this way, down this ceiling and this wall, no flex duct, so I'm pretty sure they're just venting it right into the ceiling. So we're gonna get this thing vented properly. Got it wired up, ducted in, going down that way. Now I'm just going to plug this up and see if it'll go. That is the complete finished look. Now just time to crawl through the crawl space. Got all my goodies, run that duct out. I'm now in the crawl space or attic access, and you can see right there, that's where my duct comes from, the exhaust fan. And then I'm gonna be taking it out right down there. So basically I'm running it through the attic and then out the side of the house right here. You can see I've got my drilled a small little pilot hole to know where to drill outside through the vinyl and then through this cardboard stuff. So I guess holding the house up. So now it's time to go outside and get that hole drilled for the little louvers. This is the hole I cut inside of the house. Putting my vent cover slash louvers. That's kind of how they work on it. When the air blows out, they will open. But this is it. I'm going to put some screws in it and then silicone it up. So I'm done in the attic. You can see right here where it comes from, the exhaust fan. Comes down, little elbow. Didn't actually use an elbow coupling, just made a turn with the flex duct. You can see it's sent all the way down to where it comes out at the end of the house. This is the final outdoor product. You can tell the louvers are open because the fan's on. Let me get cleaned up and get out of here. Hey guys, I meant to talk in the car, but I was on the phone the whole time in the car. I am now currently at the 3rd and last job of the day, replacing this storm door. My buddy Joe got these edge lines right at this community home. He has a big contract with them, but as he was edging right here, he felt the rock in his weed eater string, but couldn't do anything about it before it busted. I came over yesterday and cleaned all the glass up. You can still see a little bit, but it's an Anderson storm door and it should be an exact fit. basically just replace the glass. Now, out of sheer convenience, I had to buy the whole door. Not the cheapest way out. You can get just the glass for about 80 bucks online, but you have to wait for shipping. This person was being kind of anal, if you know what I'm saying, about it being done. She was actually kind of upset that I didn't replace the whole door even though I had it, but I was only sent out here to replace the glass. We'll save the other parts of the door for something else. Hopefully I can use it somewhere, but I did my part. It was actually really simple. The glass is just held in by these little plastic clips, so it didn't take long. The most tedious thing was cleaning up all the glass, which I did most of it yesterday, and then some more fell today, so I cleaned it up. She's getting me a paper towel, wet paper towel, so I can clean the glass, and hopefully I can get out of here. That's going to end today, guys. I had a pretty good little handyman day. The first thing I did was take care of a long-term client of mine. Always had small punch list things for me to do, which usually take me about an hour or two. So when I have an open day and he needs things done, I go to him first so I can get out of there and do some other things. The second thing was that exhaust fan for another repeat client of mine who owns rentals. She calls me about once a week, which is awesome. Always keeping me busy. If I get a couple more of her, I'd stay really, really busy. I'm not ready for that yet, but maybe in the future. And then ended it off with that storm door glass replacement. Not a bad day for old Dino. Let me know how you guys like this video, the day in the life type video, the time lapse, really kind of get into what I'm doing, or how-tos. I'm not really wanting to do the how-tos, just the day in the life. Maybe just switch it up, that might just be the thing to do. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure to like this video, comment something below, I really appreciate it. And see you guys in the next video.